Hi, this is a tutorial on how to do a waterfall French braid. Start at the end where your bangs are and just brush it out. If you find it easier, you can spray it wet with a spray bottle. So, section just a little piece of your bangs off, like this. Okay, so just a little piece of your bangs at the front. Pull it back. Here, face this way. Okay. Pull it back as if you were about to do a braid, but section it off only in 2 pieces. Like this. Okay. Now grab another piece from your other hair at the bottom and just add it in, but don't blend it with any other strips of hair. And move it up to the top. Hold it there, don't blend it with any. And then take away the bottom one and just let the person you're doing it on hold it. And repeat. Grab another piece of hair, add it up to the top, have them hold the bottom one. Hold this. Pull it tight down. You can bring it all the way to the back of your head, but I'm only just going to show you a short one. Like that. Okay, now release it a little. Okay, so you can let go. That's just a waterfall French braid. I'll get closer here. And you can like secure it with a bobby pin. Alright, so I'll move the camera closer. So that is a waterfall French braid. So it looks pretty cool, and you can test it out on different people. Different hair lengths. It looks pretty cool. You can bring it all the way back down. So that's how to do a waterfall French braid, and I hope it helped you guys. Bye!